Eddie of the Simple Kustoms by Eddie Papandrea YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of large-scale stuff I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. Eddie really took on this challenge. He ended up making 7 different customs. Everything from a Fury Road style look to a steampunk style look. He kind of has covered it all in these. And they're absolutely fantastic. Some of them are deeply disturbing, Eddie. But I love what you did with all of these. Now, it's my understanding that Eddie's giving away at least one of these customs over on his channel. And be sure and check out his Instagram page as well, because he does a lot of stuff there. He might be giving it away there. And then I think he's sending me something to give away on this channel too, so stay tuned for that. But these are just wild and crazy, and there's just a little bit of everything, and I love these. Look at the horns on the front there. And the little whiskers kind of sticking up on some of them are disturbing. Here's obviously one of the steampunk looks, and it's really cool. But then the next one coming up that you'll see here in a second, it has a much more of a gold look to it, and that's really trippy. And it still has that, like the Hot Wheels he put on their logo, so it still has the toy effect to it. So you did great, Eddie, especially for tackling the large scale challenge. First person to do that. There's links to his YouTube channel and Instagram page in the description for this video. Everybody be sure and check it out. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I do. And stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.